I'm going to show you how to use the image list component. I already have a few images I saved in the folder Premier League over here. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to add an image from your image list in your button. Okay, so image list, not image. There we go. I'm gonna add 2 buttons, and then the user can vote for his favorite team, and your button will be a little bit better or enhanced with a image. Okay, so first thing is I'm gonna save my program. Image list. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some images. So I'm just double clicking on the image list component. I'm gonna say add. I'm gonna go to the Premier League. I'm gonna choose the small images for now. I'm gonna choose Everton. Okay. Second image I'm gonna add is the arch rival Liverpool. Okay, now I'm gonna go to my button. First I'm gonna change this caption to Everton. Okay, then I'm gonna go to property images, and I'm gonna select my image list 1. If I go back to my image list 1, you will see that the item index of this image list will start at 0. So 0 will be Everton, 1 will be Liverpool. Okay, so this is Everton button, so I want the image index not to be -1. -1, then nothing is selected. I'm going to set it to 0, so that means Everton will be selected over there. Okay, Everton will be selected. I'm going to go to the second button. I'm going to go to images, select image list 1, and I'm going to say 1, because the second one will be Liverpool. There's also some other settings you can change here. Color depth, background colors, blend color, drawing style, make it transparent. You can also change the position of your image, the alignment. At the moment you will see that it's on the left hand side. You can put it bottom, you can put it in center, maybe you can put it in the center, then you don't need to add the caption. You can maybe remove the caption. Right, top. So there's still the normal settings that you can use here. So I'm going to move mine back to the left, and now I'm going to code this button then so that when I select Everton, it's going to paint not the city but only the color of the form to CL blue. And when I click on the Liverpool button, I'm going to change the color of the form to CL red. Okay, so now you have buttons with your images with your buttons, and you can make your selection.